Hello students, it is phonics time. Today we are going to learn about letter C. C is a very special letter. It has a great story. Let's listen to the C story. Hello, I'm letter C. What is my sound? Who knows the sound of letter C? What is the sound of letter C? Who can help me? Letter C didn't have any sound, so it went to the other letters to offer help. Two letters that are S and K shared their sounds with it. Ice, ice, sound S. Rice, rice, sound S. When letter C meets E, I, and Y, its sound is S. Face, face, sound S. Now let's move to the other sound of letter C. When letter C meets O, U, and A, its sound is hard. As for cow, camel, and car. Cow, camel, car, and carrot. Let's read these words. Hard C as for cake, corn cube, soft as for sand and circus.